The first piece I made a linked silver bracelet, and it was the first piece that I made and finished, and I wear it. And I look at it and think, yeah, there was a lot of work went into that.
I've made some bangles here that are for my daughter's wedding, and her grandma has come over to do a reading at the wedding, and I've made one of these bangles for everybody. And my grandma, her grandma's got one, my auntie, and she said she'd like a bangle like grandma's, but these are a bit big for a 5-6-year-old, so I'm making a custom-sized bangle set for her. I wanted to do something that was kind of creative and challenging because, you know, my life's been spent in computers and radio measurements for mobile phone networks. Nothing to do with jewellery at all, metalwork, no. So I wanted to do something quite creative, but quite challenging, new techniques. So that's the plan, is for it to look like that, with tubes, with gems on the start lines. And these are the Mercedes racing colours because she likes Mercedes racing. Yeah, that's Silverstone in 1948 when it first came. That's now, and that's the Formula One track in 1991. So she wanted it that way around with these black, blue, and red the cubic zirconias.
Done it for 2.5 years now, and it's the part of the week for me. I don't put any pressure on myself to finish a piece. I love learning about the metallurgy and the science of the metals. I love the creativity. I love the people I'm with, and it's just my bit of my week that's sacrosanct for me, and it's just been amazing. And yeah, so I'm still here and hooked. My auntie, who inspired me, she died in March last year. And when I was clearing out her house, I came across that box of her silversmithing, and some of the pieces that I'm working on today are finishing off things that she'd started that have probably been in the box for 25 years. And so there's a bracelet that I'm working on today to finish to wear.
My internal engineer loves making things, so it's almost a kind of creative outlet for an engineer's brain. It's quite funny. So, but I mean, it means that if I want to make something and I don't have the tool, I'll see if I can make the tool, and end up going down that rabbit hole. So. I saw this symbol. We're in Australia. It's like an Aboriginal symbol for the sun. I thought that looks cool, and then decided I could try and make that by soldering all in one go. So I kind of making all these tiny little pieces, but that was just, I thought it'd be good as a little necklace on a rope.
I got inspiration of the metal dress, and that was my turning point. And then my lamp that I made out of 2 wings of a Mini. And this is the old lead pillar. It's a 1965 Mini. But this sea glass is from Sion. My husband found this piece, which is really special, and I made it into a trilogy. We've been married 24 years this year.